Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the Gmail app, open it, and make sure you're signed into the account whose language you want to change. Once signed in, tap your profile icon in the top right, then choose Manage your Google account to access account-level settings. Make sure you have a stable connection. This syncs preferences. You do not need to change the device language here. Start from the account controls so the language applies across Google Apps, not only Gmail, which avoids repeating steps later. Once in your Google account screen, tap the Personal Info tab and scroll until you see General Preferences for the web. This is where language lives. Tap Language to open the selector. You will see your current language and any linked options. Use the search field if you prefer a specific dialect or country variant. Select the language you want and confirm the choice. This change ensures Gmail's interface updates to match your preference across Android and iOS when synced. After selecting a new language, confirm and let Google sync the change. Then close and reopen Gmail to see the updated interface. If the language doesn't update, make sure AppSync is enabled in settings and that your device-level app language isn't overriding it. Some Android skins let apps use a separate language. If problems persist, force close the Gmail app, clear its cache, and sign out and back in. If nothing works, try the same change from a desktop browser to isolate mobile-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.